Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to make a simple recipe, one of my all-time favorite, and it's banana fritters. Yes, banana fritters. So first you want to wash your banana. I already washed the banana and I'm going to peel it. And I'm going to mash it. And it can be an overripe banana. And you can also add a little water. Just to help you mash it. Guys, this is finished mashed the banana. So I have my 1 ounce cup and I'm going to start putting my flour. 1, make sure it's level. When you're measuring, always make sure it's level. 2, 3, okay. So I'm going to put my baking powder and I'm using 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. You can omit it if you want, but my grandmother used to use it sometimes. 1/8 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, sugar. I use 1 tablespoon of sugar. You can also use half or none if you prefer. And I'm using 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. So I'm going to use my spoon. Okay, so let's add some more flour. Oh. 5. And I'm going to add my water. I'm working with 1 cup of water, but I'm not going to pour all, okay? Just so you can get a batter. I want to taste more of that banana rather than the flour, you know? I love when I'm tasting the banana. Put a little more water in here. Just a little more, just a little bit. So this is ready, guys. This is ready. And I use 5 ounces of flour. So let's prepare this for frying. Okay, our oil is heated to fry the banana fritters. So we're gonna spoon them. Oopsie. Smelling that banana, guys. I love it when I'm smelling that banana. And we're going to fry them until they're golden brown. When you see they are golden brown, you just flip them over, okay? And you can put them on low to medium heat. The others are still frying. There you have it, guys, the banana fritters. So I'm just gonna break one for you. Yeah. Good. Thank you for watching, guys. Got banana in there. Very delicious, guys. Thank you for watching.